Hello guys, this is the Bazi here, and today what's up guys? So take this out. Wow, it's puppy. Look, a robot. So nice. Look at the reaction. So now we're gonna open this.
Let's go. I need scissors.
Scissors, yeah. Where's the scissors?
I know.
I'm gonna bring it. Let's open it.
Let's go open this. This is another one half the page. I want to try this. I can't open this. I want to try. I want to try this. Yeah, I'm a Tomlin.
It's so big.
It's so big.
Really?
So. Oh. So. Oh.
Hey, I think it's the instruction book. Right there.
Trying the book. I can't do it. It's not doing it.
Wait, now there's so many tapes, so we should cut the tapes off.
Bigger ball. Bigger ball.
So we got the ball.
Give me one
What
more.
is this?
I don't know. That's a puppy.
And we got this. What's this? This is the battery, I guess.
That pencil is. We got
And
this.
yes.
This. What's that? This one? I want this. So I need.
The puppy.
We need this.
Look.
Hey, I see this. I mean, I can't open it. Oh, yes, I want this.
Oh, we got a watch.
We can watch like that.
Watch.
Yeah. I see stones. Bigger ball.
Okay, let's see what's inside this.
No, I wanna. Ooh. Something I see.
Oh, the charger.
Tractor.
Yeah, so we're gonna need this after.
We got tractor. We can open this. It's done.
This dog is so smart. Like this dog has this app on the phone. So my sister then right here. So look, finish. There's that.
Okay.
Look. Oh. If I wanna go forward, just press this. Look. I'll go back. Spin. This is the this is the charger. Like if the dog's battery is low, the dog comes to this and it charges itself. It's nice. Now it's gonna charge itself. Look. That's it. It's very smart. So touch on the nose. What's gonna happen? Yeah.
He wants to get up. He wants to catch my ball. See, he wants to run. He gonna fast. He gonna.
Okay, touch the head.
He wants
Again,
to
again,
sit. No, I want to
Look at.
look this. And what happened? Catch my ball.
Oh, it has song.
Wow!
But the dog is calling the watch. And then come. Go. And then go there.
Thanks for watching. Is a puppy. I love yours. Like, subscribe and comment and
Like. Yes.
Like.
If you like this video, please leave a like.
Maybe we like puppy. He loved me. He want to love me.
Yeah, my sister likes the puppy so much, and
Thanks for watching. Bye.
if you want the puppy, you can go online, then buy this puppy order.
It's just nice.
Yeah, nice.